Alright guys, this is not a violin demo, it's a bow demo on Catherine's personal violin. This is the Ary France, A-R-Y, and then the word France after it. Stamped bow, has a new faux whalebone grip, new rehair, new pretty much everything, so except for the bow. So we'll turn it over to Catherine to give it a play.
I'm gonna play a little bit with my carbon fiber bow. It's pretty, it's a coda bow, and you can just kind of hear the difference between the two if you want. So one thing that I really love about wooden bows a little bit more than carbon fibers is that it just, because it's an organic material, it really resonates and synergizes with the wood in order to create just a very beautiful warm sound. And so this bow is very light. It's very, let me see, is it lighter than my bow? Let's test it out. Sort of about the same weight, which is really cool. Usually a lot of the wood bows that I've played are a little bit heavier, but this one is quite nice and light, nicely balanced, not too tip heavy, so the bow can still fly around and do what you need to do without it, just absolutely being worn down and you have to work too hard. It gets a really lovely sound out of my instrument, a little bit on the softer side. As you heard with my carbon fiber just increases the volume and the gain of my instrument. But this one, it's drawing out a little bit more color, but it's not as loud as my carbon fiber. Also, I don't think I put enough rosin in it. Rosin will also really affect the sound, so make sure that you put plenty of rosin on this thing. I think I only rosined it a little bit earlier, but if you're wanting more sound, you're going to have to get more stickiness into the bow, and therefore more rosin. The bow is just so light. It was like, whee, it just flew right into the air. This is a very light bow. This bow is. I really don't have to work very hard to get a sound out. You do have to input more weight in order to, get more loudness out, but just in general, I don't really have to work very hard because the bow is so light. And so for like those, for staccato, saute, or ricochet. It's like just barely any work at all. The bow just is really, really springy, which is quite nice. Now, personally, I am not the largest fan of whalebone and leather, but this can be changed out. I prefer all of this to be leather with a very minimal, what is it called, metal winding. That is my personal preference, just because this does feel a little bit rough, but it's a super easy thing to change out. If you come and try this bow, you could just exchange it out and get this replaced with something else, and it will sound the same. It will, do all of the same bow things. It will just cosmetically look different and feel just a little bit different, but that is just my personal preference from the different bows that I have tried over the years. So. Do you hear that dip in sound? There's a patch on here that doesn't have rosin. So if you ever hear dips in your sound, and I think this one was just freshly rehaired, so it's just very normal to find those little, I call them bald sound patches, because there's no rosin on there. So, if you ever get a bow rehaired, or you get a brand new bow and you hear those, it's not the bow, it is the rosin. It is making sure that you have enough rosin in it. So I'm betting we're not going to hear those sounds now. Despite its lightness, like, the bow really can draw a lot of sound out of my instrument. I've had my instrument for about whatever 24 minus 8 is. 16 years? I'm bad at mental math. I have to write it out. But that's roughly about 15 to 17, 16 years, I think. So I've had this instrument for about 16 years. And I know the limits and the capabilities of my sound. And this bow, it's light but mighty. It really draws out a nice amount of sound, which is really surprising. It's springy, it's light, and has non-rosin patches on here that I'll fix in a moment. But overall, what a nice bow. It's if you have, especially if you have pain in your right hand, it's good to have a lighter bow to kind of alleviate that. But this is nice and light to where it just it really does what it needs to do. It gets great sound out. And is just, it's a powerful little thing for sure. So, but of course, I can only do so much through the phone. Y'all should definitely come and check out the bow for sure.
Cool. Thank you for the wonderful demonstration, Catherine. And yeah, that's awesome. So, any questions, let us know. We'll put the details of the weight and the balance point in the notes. But that's what we got today. So, thanks for listening. Play on, my friends.